What is up, YouTube? It is Lincoln here, and we are back with episode 3 of the Robinhood 1K Challenge. If you guys missed the first couple of episodes, here's the recap. We lost $53.60 in the first episode. Kind of had a train wreck. If you missed that, it's kind of entertaining. And then episode 2, we kind of got things back on track. Made almost $100, and we are currently sitting up 4.37% overall. Going into this week, I kind of got a jump start on some trades and opened a Micron put credit spread and an Uber Iron Condor. And then we are long 3 shares of 3D Systems, which I bought with some of our gains. So let's go ahead and jump in to what happened this week. So just to recap, on Friday, October 23, we made a couple trades. And I'm going to go over the Uber trade right now and why I decided to do an Iron Condor on it. You can see the technicals here. You can kind of see everything's looking pretty neutral. You can see the stock is actually trading pretty range bound between $38 and $34. It is set up as a bullish pennant, so that's kind of what I see. I see it breaking out higher than that, but in the meantime, I expect it to keep trading sideways in that $34 to $38 range, which is exactly what I set this Iron Condor up as. So you can see here, I'm going to go over what that trade looks like. This isn't the live trade. I'm just setting it up so you guys can see what I did. You can see I set this for 50 cents wide, and I took in a 35-cent credit, so our max loss is $15, and the max gain is 35. Then after having those 2 trades set up last Friday, I jumped in Monday morning and made a couple more trades. We went back to 3D Systems, which you can see has had a massive run-up. Looks like an institutional buyer, so went right back in and sold another $7 put. And then our other trade was an additional Micron put credit spread, and we'll jump into the chart after that. So you can see I'm selling this for Friday. Took in, see, I tried to take in 30 cents. I think I ended up getting a fill at 25 cents. Yep. So then the Micron trade here, the stock does look a little bit extended. You can see the RSI still has a little bit of room to run, and the MACD showing strength. So I felt pretty good. The stock was down on Monday, so I thought it was a good time to jump in with an additional put credit spread. I was planning on getting into some sort of call credit spread later this week just to kind of get an opposing position. Obviously, everything I've done so far has been bullish. The Uber is neutral, but the other 3 trades are all bullish. So I was planning on doing something similar to what I did the week before and getting into kind of a midweek call credit spread trade. So that was actually it for the trades on the week. Here we are on Wednesday, I believe, just showing you where the portfolio is at. You can see SPY's down on the day, and all of my positions are also down on the day. So just kind of went through everything here, showed her everything at. You can see 3D Systems is way down on the week. It's all right, though. Sold that $7 put, and we've already taken in some income from the wheel. And then again, here's just a quick daily update on where we are at. You can see it's kind of hanging in there, but the portfolio is obviously way down on the week. So then Friday hit, and Robinhood absolutely slapped me. So basically what happened is Robinhood auto bought back those put credit spreads. They were both in the money at that point, which was fine. I was just going to let them run. Micron had been showing strength at the end of the days. So I decided to let them run, and about an hour and 5 minutes before market close, they ended up buying back both of those positions for me, obviously at huge losses. You can see they bought it back, and then in the last hour, Micron ended up closing much higher. So that would have run the $50, $49 put credit spread would have expired worthless. And the other one would have expired for 16 cents, which is exactly what I bought it for. So they ended up costing me $87. I'm currently emailing back and forth with them, and I'm not too happy about that. But the show must go on. Obviously, you can see this is setting up to be a terrible week, so Let's quick run over what the wheel strategy is again, because that will be important in a minute. So step 1, we're going to sell it out of the money, cash secured put. Step 2, if it expires worthless, we go back, repeat step 1. If it expires in the money, then we're going to go ahead and proceed to step 3, which is starting to sell covered calls at or above our cost basis. And then step 4, if that covered call expires worthless, then we're going to go ahead and repeat step 3. And if it expires in the money, then we start over at step 1. So how this actually played out, here we are on 3D. So you can see 3 weeks in a row I sold those cash secured puts on 3D and collected some premium. And then this Friday, my put expired in the money at the $7 strike. So you can see I collected the $15, $10, $20, and $25 from the first few put sells, which puts our cost basis at $6.30. Unfortunately, 3D closed even further below that, so we are down $66 on that position. And here is a look at the carnage. So you can see we ended up losing $187 in episode 3, 87 of which was on that Micron disaster of Robinhood buying this back. I'm hoping that they're going to give me some sort of credit for the account, but if I know anything about Robinhood, it's that that will never happen. So obviously, we're going to be digging out of a large hole. With the presidential election coming up, it probably wasn't smart to be trading this week, and I should have had at least one bearish position going, and that was my plan, but I should have opened that at the beginning of the week. Hindsight is 2020. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to pick and choose my battles in next week and in the coming weeks. Kind of expecting volatility to be a huge part in the next few weeks, and I'm probably going to take a few more bearish positions, even though I am bullish on stocks through the end of this year and 2021. So I guess I'm going to have to see what I end up deciding to do, but you guys will see it all live. Thanks for watching the video. Sorry to disappoint. Maybe this was more entertaining than when I make money, though, so maybe some of you are into this sort of thing. So if there's any ticker that you want me to trade specifically, let me know down in the comments. If you have any questions about this or any advice on how to get some money back out of Robinhood, I would really appreciate that. So thanks for watching it, and I will see you guys in the next episode.